Hi guys, so right now I am in the one of the location known as Musola Jabal Rahmah, or some people call this as Masjid Batu. Let's look the beautiful of Masjid Batu with me. Let's go! That one!
This mosque is a property of Unand, one of the university in Padang.
So Musola Jabal Rahmah, it's 2014, the 1 December. You can look here.
There is no admission fee here. Stepping into this stone mosque, surrounded by the forest ambience and over a truly distinctive vibe.
It measures about a 5 by 5 meter, and the walls are covered with a large stone held together by cement.
This mosque really covered with stone, and you can look here. This is so amazing.
Cool and serene are two elements you'll experience when you visit here. You'll be tempered by the beautiful natural scenery outside.
Yeah, you can look ocean there. That's a very amazing. When you see this in real life, have to come here in the Padang or Sumatra. Dadah!